We've got several different species of Banksias here in Star Swamp, but the major two Banksias here and through most of the coastal plain are Banksia attenuata, which is yellow candle Banksia, and that flowers from mid-spring right the way through summer to mid-autumn, and the Banksia menziesii, or firewood Banksia, that flowers for the other 6 months of the year from mid-autumn right the way through winter to mid-spring, and that should give almost a 12-month nectar supply to all the honey eaters. Honey eaters need the nectar to give them energy to be able to fly around and catch the insects that they live on. Problem these days is with the drying climate, lack of rainfall, Banksias aren't flowering for the full 6 months, so there's actually a few months between the changeover where there's not much nectar produced by Banksias, so the honey eaters have got to find some other source for nectar. One of the other sources, especially around August, September, is the parrot bush, Dryandra sessilis, and that's its peak flowering time, so you'll find a lot of honey eaters congregated around there. The other thing they're tending to do these days too is go out into people's gardens where there's quite often a lot of grevilleas and things like that that people have planted, so there's a nectar source there that they can get while there's not too much for them to feed on in the bush.